All right, we are about to head to Trader Joe's and do a little bit of grocery shopping. I did my giant Costco haul not too long ago, so we don't need much. I'm not going to make the mistake of saying it's going to be a small haul this time because I did that last time, and at Trader Joe's that's hard to do. I'll just say that my list is pretty small. I am making dinner for a get-together tonight, and I decided to do like beef stroganoff over mashed potatoes and like have mushrooms and stuff in it. So I need to get mushrooms and potatoes and a few other things. We need tortillas. We've been out of those for a while. So our list is small, but we always find lots of fun treasures at Trader Joe's. And I have all of my littles with me today, my 4 littles, because my babysitter, Autumn, my oldest, is off with... You want to be in the video too? Just a second. She is off with Dad today, so I don't have my babysitter here, so I have to take all the littles with me, which is always so exciting. Are you trying to get in the video? Go ahead. You can climb on the chair. Go ahead.
With me.
There you are. Now are you in the video? Can you say hi? Hi. Now we got everybody except Talia. Talia, come here.
You smile? Smile.
There you are. Everybody smile. Smile, Levi. All right, you guys ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. I'm arming myself with a bag of crackers for Levi while we're going through the store because he always wants to eat everything he sees, and sometimes the samples have egg in them and he can't have those, and that makes him sad. So I got a bag of crackers. I would bring a banana with me, but my purse is not quite big enough for that. But I think the crackers will keep him happy through the store. It's not that cold. The sun is actually shining, and it's not. You have a hood. Yeah, put your hood up. It's actually a pretty nice day. Oh, Renee, look at the beautiful tulips. Aren't those nice for springtime?
Yeah.
So nice that it's almost springtime. Talia, it's your job to give Levi crackers when he's hungry, okay? I think he's ready for one.
Is it a meerkat or a crackers?
Meerkat. Meerkat.
Meerkat.
Yep, thank you.
Absolutely.
It's an important question.
I know.
Charity, do you want to hold the list?
Yes, can I use the thing?
Let me see if I brought my pen. I forgot if I did. Oh yeah, here it is. Okay. We need tortillas, and those are down here. Is that a good cracker man? We made it past the bananas.
Tortillas right now.
And he's happy. It's all good.
Where's the tortillas?
All right, we always stock up on tortillas here.
Tortillas.
They're down here. Good job. Yeah. You're welcome. We were out of tortillas for a while.
Covered almonds for a sample.
Ooh, what a good snack. All right, a bunch of tortillas. Are those balls? Yeah, apples are balls.
And watermelon.
And watermelons. So is that what you were looking at? Watermelons? We'll just do organic, I guess.
I'm gonna pick up the garbage can.
Okay, sounds great. Okay, we gotta find potatoes. I think they're up here.
Tomatoes.
No, not tomatoes. No, potatoes. Starts with a P. I guess we'll just do russet this time. Okay.
Cream?
Yeah, cream. You can mark that off.
There's still eggnog?
It's good too. I would be surprised if there's still eggnog this time of year. Do you need some more crackers? No? No more crackers?
Do you want some of these?
Okay. Oh, you want more chocolate. I see. Stinker. There's some raisins for later. All right, keep looking for the meerkat.
Chocolate leaves.
Yeah, isn't that cute? Those are really cute.
Get one?
Nope, don't need it. But these are cute too. Look at that. Oh my goodness, they have dog treats that are for Valentine's Day too. Yeah, right here. They're little heart dog treats. That's so funny. This is cool. An almond flour chocolate chip baking mix. There he is. He's hiding. That was hard. That one was hard. All right, I think we did it. We got out for less than $50, and I think for Trader Joe's that is a big win. Don't you think, Levi?
Say yep.
So here's our tiny, tiny Trader Joe's haul. The main thing I needed to stock up on was the tortillas. I throw these in the freezer, pull out 1 pack at a time, and the kids will eat these for lunch and breakfast and stuff. I also got a few cans of green chilies. I like the green chilies from Trader Joe's, and I like to have these in the pantry to throw into things. And I'm just about to use my last 2 cans that I had in my pantry for some white chicken chili. So I decided to grab some more of those to have them on hand. 2 things of organic heavy whipping cream, got some organic Pink Lady apples, a bag of russet potatoes for the dinner tonight, as well as the cremini mushrooms for the beef stroganoff tonight, and then 1 pack of raisins to hold us until we get to Costco again and can get another Costco pack of raisins. Levi loves to snack on raisins. The total that I spent at Trader Joe's was $40.42. So it is possible to have a small grocery haul at Trader Joe's. I think I just had to prove that to myself.